Hello guys, it's me again. After a very long time, I'm back with a new, maybe a graphic design. It's not a tutorial, but it's like an insight. And in this video, I want to explain the difference between masking and compositing in photo editing software like I use the most, Gimp. And I'm not a graphic designer guru, so I will explain this in an easy way. So masking is like the the main word mean mask is it's a tool or technique you use if you want to cover a part that you don't want to see on your canvas, on your project canvas. And then it's like a Batman mask that you only see the mouth part and it's cover his eyes and nose. So it's like the principle of the masking is like the actual meaning. So when you want to eliminate a area, you will use a masking test, a masking technique on Gimp, and you want maybe another part of the image to stay on the canvas. So I have a simple example here. This is my nephew. He's eating maybe a stick bread. I just want to select his head here, and I want to use the music paper wallpaper here. So basically his head will appear in the middle of this wallpaper. So let's just try. First, I'm gonna use a circle selection here. Maybe this way. And then I'm gonna add layer mask here. And I choose black for transparency. Click add button. And then I'm gonna make the head area appear using a brush tool. So I'm gonna choose brush tool here and then change the color to white. If the white will make the area you want appear, so I'm gonna make it bigger size, so it's like this. See, this is what we call masking, and we're done here. And we can just select none, and we can add maybe some text in the bottom here, say hello maybe. This is my favorite movie, The Hobbit. I make this wallpaper a long time ago. So when you working on masking, you actually in the compositing mode. You working on the compositing mode. So compositing is a work where you want to, maybe you can use masking and then you add some filter on the image and then you add blend together. So it's like a layer you put together on your canvas, so it's will have a better result like I have here. wallpaper I create on my Linux computer, so I don't have the file here, but I think I'm using masking with a brush tool, and then I use the blend, and then I use some filter for the text and the wallpaper. So I think that's it, and I hope it's helpful for you, but make sure to subscribe this channel because I'm planning to show you the actual masking technique. They are when you're using a brush tool, when you're using a selection tool, or when you're using a channel tool. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.